Which sentence is correct? She doesn't like coffee. Choose the correct sentence. He goes to work early. Choose the correct sentence. Which one is correct? I have a new phone. Which sentence is correct? She is taller than me. Choose the correct sentence. It doesn't work. Which one is correct? I agree. Choose the correct sentence. There are many cars outside. Which sentence is correct? She can swim. Choose the correct sentence. He doesn't know the answer. Which one is correct? I've lived here since 2020. Choose the correct sentence. This book is more interesting. Which sentence is correct? He didn't eat breakfast. Choose the correct sentence. I look forward to seeing you. Which one is correct? She told me the truth. Choose the correct sentence. He speaks English very well. Which sentence is correct? I didn't understand. Choose the correct sentence. This information is new. Which one is correct? She is usually late. Choose the correct sentence. Choose the correct sentence. I need to finish my homework. Which sentence is correct? She didn't write the email. Choose the correct sentence. I'm interested in music. Which one is correct? He is married to Anna. Choose the correct sentence. She drives very carefully. Which sentence is correct? Did you go yesterday? Thanks so much for watching. If you had fun with this quiz, please give it a like and subscribe. It honestly helps this little channel grow, and it means the world to me. Your support is what keeps these videos coming, so thank you for being here. See you in the next one, my friend.